Model, 2013 Ford Transit 155 T350 22 TDCI rear-wheel drive, needs turbo VAT included bargain. Body, blue, panel van. Mileage, 175231. MOT, the 15th of April 2025. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2155 PS TDCI-C. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Turbo needs replacing. Engine is perfect. Start idles as evenly, no misfiring or back pressure, straightforward turbo replacement job, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, electric windows, sync, tow bar. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.